guys, welcome back to my channel. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana, our awesome family. I would love to have you a part of our Ohana. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. So I tried Beyonce's skincare nighttime routine for like a week, and so I just want to give you guys some of my opinions on it. So initially what she uses is Aquaphor. Not only does she use Aquaphor for her to put over her face at night, she actually uses it as a makeup remover as well. So it's not like, she really loves Aquaphor. And so this is $12 at Walmart. The major ingredient is petroleum, so it's pretty much essentially petroleum jelly, but they actually have mineral oil, sericin, lanolin, alcohol, panthenol, glycerin, and bisabol. So they have a few other ingredients, but it's just petroleum jelly that she puts on her skin, and it's Aquaphor. So the first day that I tried it, my pillowcase was messy. I did not like it at all. It was just too much. But then I realized why I didn't like it this first day is because literally I just smeared it all over my face, because when I was reading the article that they did the interview on her, she said she smears it all over her face and body, and I just did that. But then I realized, you know what, I don't have Beyonce money, so I can't be doing that. So take a look at this clip. Take a look at this clip. Now we're going to use the tea tree face wash. This is like one of my favorite face washes ever, and I got it at Trader Joe's. It's just Castion soap and tea tree oil, so that's what we're going to use. And if my camera is blurry, I am so sorry, but I don't know why it is, but my bad if it's not a clear view. So yeah, so it's really liquidy. I have some on my hands already, but I want to show you guys. It's really liquidy. Look how liquidy it is. So liquidy. So I like to just get it all over. Make sure my face is slathered with it. Now normally at night I put Miracle Glow oil on my face. I like to put it on at night, and sometimes in the morning I like to make sure it's knee deep in my skin. But I really wanted to try Beyonce skincare routine because she said beauty is pain, and literally beauty is pain. Dieting is pain. Okay, I'm just letting y'all know. I really seriously would recommend the Trader Joe's tea tree oil Castion face wash, but y'all don't be taking it off from me, especially y'all that live in Arizona. Don't take it off from me, because if you do, then what am I gonna buy? What am I gonna get? Okay, you guys, so my face is officially clean. So now we're going to put the Aquaphor on. This is my third time doing this. Probably, yeah, third time. Okay, so just like literally, okay, here we go. Oh, when I first did this, I was like, is she serious? This is like literally putting Vaseline all over your face. But you know what? Everybody has their weird little quirks, literally. Like I used to put essential oils, like orange essential oil, in my bath water, but I don't anymore because it will burn your skin. You need to cut it with some oil. So now I literally rubbed into my skin. Like Beyonce had it where you would literally, like she says, slather, but I'm not slathering. I rub it into your skin. So that's all I'm doing. Rub it. Oh Lord, I slathered too much again. Jesus Christ, help me. I'm slathering it. So okay. Ooh. Oh my God, this stuff. Oh, Beyonce, really, girl? Really? You got me put Aquaphor. Y'all, look what she got me doing. I look like a greased up chicken. Oh Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. This is like the third day. Seriously. Okay. Okay, how do I look? Okay, so I'm really greased up. Yeah, it's really messy, so try this at your own quorum. But you know what? What is today? We got we got 2 more days of this to go. So you know what, so far I have not had a pimple. And normally when I put stuff like this, like petroleum jelly, because the first ingredient would have to be petroleum jelly, this stuff has not created a pimple yet. And you guys know that I'm like pregnant, so I would think it would create a pimple, but it hasn't yet. So far so good. I'm gonna check back with you guys in the morning with this stuff still on my face, and we'll just see how it went, okay? Bye, good night, sweet dreams. So after that, about the 3rd or 4th night, I would say I got it together. I used just a little bit, like I would say about like a dime size to about a quarter. I think a quarter would be too much, a quarter size amount, but probably like a dime size amount. And I smeared it all over my face and my neck. And I must say, it was still a bit messy. So what I did about the 3rd or 4th night is I placed a towel over the bed where I was sleeping. Literally, I placed the towel over my pillows, not the bed, the pillow. And Josh would literally look at me weird. So he would say I look like a greased up chicken. This stuff is really, really, really messy. So I just want to show you guys the 4th day. I think this is the 4th or 5th day when I woke up, and this is early in the morning. And I know I look a hot mess, but you know I have to glam up and go about my day. But I just want to show you guys what I look like in the 4th, I think it was the 4th or 5th day. So take a look. Roll a clip. Roll a clip. So what is up, you guys? So I just wanted to get on camera to show you my face early in the morning. I brushed my teeth, so don't worry about that. But I just wanted to show you guys what my face looked like. This is the 4th day. I was supposed to do it Thursday morning. Wait, no, 4th day. Well, no, the 5th day. Well, this is sort of the 4th, 5th day. Oh my God, it's confusing. I put it on my face last night, which was the 4th day. And then I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like on the 5th day. So I must say I had a episode of morning sickness last night. And my face was literally red everywhere. And I had really fine bumps from the acidic acid. So after that, I washed my face and I put Aquaphor on it. And I smeared just a little, not a lot like you guys see me did on the 3rd day, I would say, or the 3rd night. And this is like the 5th morning. Yeah, so it must be the 5th morning. Okay, it's confusing. But I will say, normally when this happens to me, in the morning my face still has like acne all over and like little fine red bumps. But this morning I have none of that. Like, I'm really shocked. So I must say Beyonce's Aquaphor is messy. It's daunting on your pillows. But, you know, I may have to try this every now and then if I have like a spout of morning sickness or something. I'm kind of loving this stuff. I would say after the 5th day, it really works. So it's smeared all over the towel. But what I noticed in the morning that my neck is really soft. I will say that. Most of it stayed on my neck. Most of it didn't stay on my face, but the stuff that probably penetrated my skin really helped my skin from the little fine bumps. Normally, guys, I swear to you, I have fine bumps early in the morning, but I have none. Like, look at, can you guys see? Look at that. Like, I don't have one fine bump whatsoever. Like, I have a little bit, but not as it's not seen as much as it would have been shown if I would have, you know, had it. So I'm going to start my day. I did brush my teeth, but I just need to comb my hair and put on some makeup. And yeah, pretty much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. And yeah, I guess we'll talk about it in the video. So I love you guys. Bye. So now that I told you what I did and how I used her nighttime routine, her skincare nighttime routine to get that glowing skin that Bae has. Go Bae, go girl. Anyways, what my experience. So the first night was a bit too much for me because it was just too messy. What I did notice is that it comes off on your face at night. So when you're sleeping and you're sleeping on your pillow, it will come off your face at night. But if you look at your neck, because like most of it did not come off my neck, when I got up in the morning, my neck was smooth. It felt like a baby's bottom. So I would say about the 6 or 7 day, I could really notice an improvement, a more of a glow once I washed it off my face. Side note, if you do decide to use this or try out her Aquaphor skincare routine, use a facial scrub in the morning once you're done, because you want to get that petroleum jelly or Aquaphor is essentially a barrier to protect moisture, protect things or any type of things from getting on your skin. So you want to literally scrub it off your skin and face, because if you don't, eventually over time your neck, whatever, may get sticky. Would I ever do this again? Yes and no. Like if I had $1 million Beyonce sheets, I would maybe try it again. If I had like nice 400 cotton sheets and pillows, but I buy pillows like once every 6 months or once a year, and usually normally I do it on Black Friday, and I buy bulk pillows because it's cheaper on Black Friday. So I'm not gonna be messing my pillows when Beyonce can go and get pillows. I'm letting y'all know, pillows, blankets, and covers. No one told me when I was little that pillows, blankets, and covers and that stuff is really expensive, you guys. Like if you are young, I'm telling you right now, save your money for that stuff. That's the most expensive stuff. And I mean the good quality sheets and blankets and pillows, cases and stuff like that. The good quality stuff is expensive. Now if you're just gonna buy some cheap cotton, that stuff is cheap, but you will not get a good night's sleep. So you better get you some Egyptian cotton. That's just my tip. So would I do it again? Yes, or yes, maybe if I had money to be buying extra pillows. Also, I'm gonna let you guys know, if you have oily skin, like all my T-zone areas are really oily. So for instance, T-zone, okay. So what I did notice in the morning when I got up is whiteheads begin to form. So literally this part, whiteheads started forming. Around here, whiteheads started forming. All in this area, whiteheads were popping up. So if you have oily skin, I would not use this product. I would try something a little lighter, maybe Miracle Glow Oil, which you can find at savvynaturalisa.com. But however, you may need something a little bit lighter than this. So lighter of an oil, like a dry oil. I would not recommend putting this on your face if you have oily skin, because you are going to cause a flare-up. You're going to cause more acne, especially if you're getting your skin right. I would not suggest you put an Aquaphor. But if you have dry skin, I suggest you try it. It will help your skin look softer. And what I did notice, because I'm here in the desert, over time, normally I put creams on my face, but after the 7th day, and after I washed my face, and even after I scrubbed my face, I didn't get any dry. Like normally I get dry around my mouth, like right here. I didn't have any ashiness and no dryness. So I think this is a wonderful thing to try, Aquaphor. But if you don't like messiness, I would never try it. It's something I would not do. But it says it's clinically approved to restore smooth skin. Also, Aquaphor is used for babies' bottoms with diaper rashes. It helps protect that, and it helps over time, it will help get rid of the diaper rash for babies. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode of I Tried a Celebrity Skincare Routine. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to try any other celebrity skincare routine. And thanks so much for watching. And babe, call me because I need some new pillows and sheets because you ruined mine, girl, with this Aquaphor. But now I see where you get that glow from. Bye!